Clerkenwell LGBTQIA plus History Project Video 9. This one is for 245 St John Street, which is the home for the Islington Museum and Islington Local History Centre. It's next door to Finsbury Library. And when I first, this year, when I was like looking around all the LGBTQIA plus pink pins, and I ventured into Clerkenwell, it was at this point where I found out about the museum. I was aware of the museum, but I wasn't aware of how much information there was available in this area. And that was, I saw a poster for Islington's Winter Warmers, and one of the meetings was about Islington's LGBTQIA plus history. So I went along to it and found out more about all of these particular pins. I got a chance to ask about why so many of them were missing, and well, there's so much information I still need to pick up and learn about, because it isn't just Clerkenwell. At the moment, I'm focusing on Clerkenwell, but there's the rest of the borough as well. There's Holloway Prison, for example, where there are plenty of people who were often imprisoned for their protests, things like the Greenham Common events. So the Greenham Common was a sort of anti-nuclear missile protest, and a lot of Greenham Common women went there in 1983. And I remember making a lot of news at that time, but I didn't know anything about any of the people. But I've since started reading about them, and there's a wealth of information. I'm also been looking to see if I could find stuff at the British Library and the London Metropolitan Archive, but the Islington Museum and Local History Centre probably is the main source where I will be able to find out all of the information I need, or most of the, the best source of information that I need. So as I find out more, I'll be posting more of these, and I hope eventually to be updating the particular map for the whole borough. So thanks for watching. Bye for now.